Okay, I wanted to show you, this is the old one that has been removed. And when I removed that, you notice that the socket is pretty bulky and it was difficult to extract it through that hole. It will go, but there was another piece that had to be removed. That is the adjuster. Well, it controls the direction of the headlights, so it became real important to mark that before I unbolted it from within here. And I can't really show you a picture of where that bolts in. Right there, the black. I'll try to stick my finger through so you can see that a little bit. It bolts in right there. And that allowed that cord to slip over, and the socket was extracted right through here. It was a tight fit, but with a little bit of pressure, very gentle pressure down on the housing, or the bulb housing, I was able to pull it out. And when I put the new one in, this is the box for the new one, and it comes with a bit of instruction that talks about how to actually remove the socket if you needed to. What I found is that all I had to take off was the metal cap. And that metal cap was about the size of this one, but I didn't really want to force it back down through that hole. So I took the metal cap off, and here it is without the metal cap. I did check the fit with the bulb, and it does fit with that bulb. Although the inside of it, if you look, is different than the inside of this one. So we're going to mount all this back and try it and see what happens. Although it does connect, as I said, to the bulb. We got to put everything back together, and this was removed very simply. It's a quarter turn after you unscrew everything. Took 24 turns, so I'll put it back in and I'll turn it 24 times. Hopefully I'll get good alignment. Otherwise I'll be working on that when it gets dark, which isn't too long from now. Anyway, I'll hook this all up and be back with you in a minute.